Welcome to dptutorials. In today's tutorial, let us learn how to add those essential tick and cross marks in the to-do lists. As you can see, we have got a simple to-do list here, but it's missing that visual satisfaction of ticking completed tasks. Let's change that. Let's start with the first method, conditional formatting. Select the cell or range E5 to E14 where you want to add the tick and cross marks. Head over to the Home tab, find the conditional formatting option and choose New Rule. Choose Format all cells based on their values, and in the format style, select Indicator Sets. In the icon style, select these tick and cross icons. In the type drop-down, select the number in both the places and selecting the green tick in the first condition and add the value as 1. In the second icon, select the cross icon and condition as 0. And in the third icon, you may select no cell icon. Once you are done, click OK. Now in this column, you can enter as 1 wherever it is complete and enter 0 if it's pending. You will be observing that the icons are getting populated automatically like this. Show icons only and then click OK. You'll be able to see the only icons like this. Now let us see second method using the Wingdings 2 font. Select the range F5 to F14. Set the font as Wingdings 2. And now for every completed activity, type as capital P, and for pending activities you can type capital X and you will see them like this. If you want to set these icons along with color, then you can add the conditional formatting on top of this like this. I will color the font as green if the cell is having P and red if the font is X. Got it? So you have seen the two fantastic methods to elevate your Excel to-do list with tick and cross marks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.